There are many types of PhD programs. Some are large, some are small. That's the key differentiator. Being a small program, I invite the PhD students to come and visit with me every week. I engage them in my research early on, and I engage with them on their research early on. It's much more of a collaboration than an authority relation in terms of developing these students. As a result, I think they get to know the faculty much better. They get to learn a lot more because the key to education in a PhD program is interaction, is talking about ideas, is conversation. And by having these open door policies that we have, by meeting with the students frequently, we give them the opportunity to really have almost unparalleled access to faculty and to have those conversations.